This is Sensor Studio bringing you common sense updates. We'll quickly report on the Middle East war. Israel attacked 30 Iranian fuel storage sites on Saturday, far more than the United States had been told in advance. This caused the first major disagreement between the allies since the war began 8 days ago, according to US and Israeli officials and other sources. The Israeli military carried out an airstrike. Currently, the United States is assessing that Israel's attacks seem to be excessively intense. Israel attacked Iran's oil facilities without prior consent, leading to conflict with the United States. In Tel Aviv, Israel, several missiles are flying in. Due to the Iranian military's attack, there is visible damage in Tel Aviv, Israel, and residents are shocked and have come outside. The Israeli military announced that as part of ongoing operations against Hezbollah infrastructure, they carried out more than 100 airstrikes across Lebanon in the past day. There were Israeli airstrikes in Lebanon. There were Israeli bombings in Lebanon. As a result, there appeared to be several casualties. It has been confirmed that a large explosion occurred in Manama, Bahrain. This is footage of the explosion at a Bahrain Petroleum Company facility in Manama, Bahrain. The Patriot missile system is suspected to have malfunctioned, but the exact cause is unclear. In Manama, Bahrain, a US airbase was directly hit by an Iranian military attack. The UAE military has released footage of a Shahed 136 drone shot down by an AH-64 helicopter. Many of these were shot down over the Persian Gulf. This is Saudi Arabia. The Saudi Arabian Ministry of Defense recently released footage of intercepting an Iranian Shahed drone launched towards Saudi Arabia. Is this debris from the interception process by the Kuwait team? Meanwhile, in Kuwait, the 8th US soldier has died. The Qatam al-Anbiya Command, which is also Iran's top operational headquarters, stated that they can withstand oil prices at $200 per barrel and urged to continue the attacks. The Qatam al-Anbiya Command also said that Israel was the first to cross the line. Mojtaba Khamenei's second son, has been named his successor in Iran. President Trump warned that Iran's supreme leader wouldn't last without US approval and said the best candidates for supreme leader are from the Pahlavi dynasty era. President Trump stated that there is no set endpoint for the Iran war. The US State Department has ordered the evacuation of American staff and diplomats stationed in Saudi Arabia amid the ongoing war with Iran. Israel believes that military operations will continue for at least another month and is preparing for this. The Israeli ambassador to the United States stated that Israel hopes to form an interim government in alliance with Iranian opposition groups. President Zelensky of Ukraine announced that he will send experts to the Middle East to protect Ukrainians there and to support the stationed US military. The UAE is cutting oil production after Kuwait. Is this due to the Strait of Hormuz being blocked? Yemen's Houthi group welcomed Mojtaba Khamenei's appointment as Iran's new supreme leader, calling it a major blow to the enemies of Iran, which is at war with the United States and Israel. The Kurdish Diaspora Society party leader stressed that Kurds shouldn't rely solely on the United States, noting the US has never supported the Kurdish people historically. Syrian Kurds also warned other Kurds that they would be abandoned if they work with the United States. If more news comes out, I'll make and upload another video. This ends the video. Thank you.